Stop spending $50 a month on streaming apps that keep removing your favorite shows. Most people are stuck in a cycle of paying for content they do not even watch because they think the setup is too complicated. Today I am revealing a secret shortcut that changes everything and puts that money back in your pocket. This is the fastest way to get Kodi 21.3 running perfectly on your device in 2026. Welcome back to TechVibes. We are all about helping you master your tech without the stress. I found a new secret code that skips the long searches and broken links. I am going to show you exactly how it works so you can get back to watching your favorite movies in minutes. Important downloader code and links have been mentioned in the description. The first thing you need is the downloader app from your official store. Once you open it up, you are going to use the secret code 28907. Instead of typing out a long and confusing web address, this code sends you straight to a verified library of tools. It is a huge time saver because it bypasses all those annoying pop-up ads that usually try to trick you. Just type it in and hit go to see the magic happen. Once you are inside the menu, look for the media players category. You want to select the latest stable build of Kodi 21.3. This specific version is optimized for 2026 hardware, which means it will not lag or crash like the older versions do. Click the download button and then hit install when the box pops up. By using this direct method, you avoid the risk of downloading a fake file that could slow down your device. After the installation is done, you need to clear out the junk. Most people forget this and their Fire Stick or Android box runs out of space in a week. When Downloader asks if you want to delete the setup file, always hit yes. This keeps your device light and snappy so your movies load instantly. It is a simple habit that prevents your hardware from wearing out early. Now for a bonus trick that most people completely overlook, if you want the best possible picture quality, go into the Kodi system settings and select display, find the refresh rate setting and set it to match your TV automatically. This stops that weird stuttering effect you sometimes see during fast action scenes. It makes a cheap $20 streaming stick feel like a high-end cinema player. Taking control of your entertainment does not have to be a full-time job. This secret code and setup guide are all about making your life easier while saving you a ton of money. If you found this shortcut helpful, give us a like and subscribe to TechVibes for more tech secrets. Leave a comment below if the code worked for you or if you need help with the next step. Thanks for watching.